Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga amagambo nka due to, bitewe na, because of, kubera, thanks to, bitewe na, despite, nubwo, in spite, nubwo, and like, bitandukanye na, such as, nka, including, harimo, except, uretse, except for, uretse, since, kubera ko, cyangwa se kuva, while, mu gihe, even, n'iyo, provided that, igihe cyose, ndetse n'andi menshi cyane. Niba wifuza kwihugura ku rurimi rw'Icyongereza, twandikire kuri WhatsApp namba ubona muri screen yawe. Due to, bitewe na. Dukoresha due to tugaragaza impamvu yatumye ikintu kibaho. Example 1, the match was cancelled due to heavy rain. The match was cancelled due to heavy rain. Umukino wasubitswe bitewe n'imvura nyinshi. Example 2, the flight was delayed due to bad weather. The flight was delayed due to bad weather. Indege yatinze bitewe n'ikirere kibi. Example 3, schools were closed due to flooding. Schools were closed due to flooding. Amashuri yafunzwe bitewe n'imyuzure. Because of, kubera. Dukoresha because of tuvuga impamvu. Example 1, we stayed home because of the rain. We stayed home because of the rain. Twagumye mu rugo kubera imvura. She was absent because of illness. She was absent because of illness. Yasibye kubera urwayi. Example 3, the game ended because of darkness. The game ended because of darkness. Umukino warangijwe kubera umwijima. Thanks to, bitewe na, cyangwa se kubera. Dukoresha thanks to tuvuga ko ikintu cyatewe n'impamvu nziza. Example 1, thanks to your help, I passed the exam. Thanks to your help, I passed the exam. Bitewe n'ubufasha bwawe, natsinze ikizamini. Example 2, thanks to modern technology, learning is easier. Thanks to modern technology, learning is easier. Bitewe n'ikoranabuhanga rigezweho, kwiga biroroshye. Example 3, thanks to the doctor, she recovered quickly. Thanks to the doctor, she recovered quickly. Bitewe na muganga, yakize vuba. Despite, nubwo. Example 1, despite the rain, we played football. Despite the rain, we played football. Nubwo imvura yagwaga, twakinye umupira w'amaguru. Example 2, despite his age, he works hard. Despite his age, he works hard. Nubwo ashaje, akora cyane. Example 3, despite being tired, she kept studying. Despite being tired, she kept studying. Nubwo yari ananiwe, yakomeje kwiga. In spite of, nubwo. Nayo isobanura kimwe n'ijambo tumaze kubona. Example 1, in spite of the traffic, we arrived on time. In spite of the traffic, we arrived on time. Nubwo hari umubyigano, twagezeyo ku gihe. Example 2, in spite of his fear, he spoke confidently. In spite of his fear, he spoke confidently. Nubwo yari afite ubwoba, yavuganye icyizere. Example 3. In spite of the cost, they bought the house. In spite of the cost, they bought the house. Nubwo byari bihenze, baguze inzu. Unlike, bitandukanye na. We use unlike to compare differences. Dukoresha unlike turimo turagereranya ibintu bibiri bitandukanye. Example 1. Unlike his brother, John likes football. Unlike his brother, John likes football. Bitandukanye na musaza we, John akunda umupira w'amaguru. Unlike yesterday, today is sunny. Unlike yesterday, today is sunny. Bitandukanye n'ejo, uyu munsi hari izuba. Kuvuga ko izuba ririmo kuva. Example 3. Unlike me, she enjoys cooking. Unlike me, she enjoys cooking. Bitandukanye nanjye, we akunda guteka. Such as, nka. We use such as to give examples. Dukoresha such as iyo turimo turatanga ingero. Example 1. I like fruits such as oranges and bananas. I like fruits such as oranges and bananas. Nkunda imbuto nk'amacunga n'imineke. Example 2. Some animals such as lions are dangerous. Some animals such as lions are dangerous. Inyamaswa zimwe nk'intare ziteye ubwoba. Example 3. Countries such as Rwanda are beautiful. Countries such as Rwanda are beautiful. Ibihugu nk'u Rwanda ni byiza. Including, harimo. Example 1. Everyone came including the teacher. Everyone came including the teacher. Abantu bose baje harimo na mwarimu. Example 2. I bought everything including bread. I bought everything including bread. Naguze ibintu byose harimo n'umugati. Example 3. All subjects including English are important. All subjects including English are important. Amasomo yose harimo n'icyongereza ni ingenzi. Except, uretse. Example 1. Everyone passed except Tom. Everyone passed except Tom. Abantu bose batsinze uretse Tom. Example 2. I eat everything except fish. I eat everything except fish. Ndya ibintu byose uretse amafi. Example 3. The shop is open every day. The shop is open every day except Sunday. The shop is open every day except Sunday. Iduka rifungura buri munsi uretse ku cyumweru. Except for, uretse. Example 1. The room was empty except for one chair. The room was empty except for one chair. Icyumba cyari kirimo ubusa uretse intebe imwe. Example 2. Everyone was happy except for Mary. Everyone was happy except for Mary. Bose bari bishimye uretse Mariya. Example 3. The test was easy except for the last question. The test was easy except for the last question. Ikizamini cyari cyoroshye uretse ikibazo cya nyuma. Sense. kubera ko cyangwa se kuva. We use since to give a reason or show the starting point of time. Dukoresha since dutanga impamvu cyangwa se tugaragaza igihe ikintu cyatangiriye. Example 1. Since it was late, we went home. Since it was late, we went home. Kubera ko bwari bwije, twagiye mu rugo. Example 2. I lived here since 2020. I lived here since 2020. I lived here since 2020. Ntuye hano kuva mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2020. Example 3. She has been happy since she got the job. She has been happy since she got the job. Yari yishimye kuva yabona akazi. While. While. Mu gihe cyangwa se mu gihe ariko. Dukoresha while mu gihe ibikorwa bibiri birimo kubera icyarimwe ariko bitandukanye. Example 1. I was reading while she was cooking. I was reading while she was cooking. Nasomaga mu gihe yari atetse. Urumva ko byaberaga icyarimwe. While I like tea, my brother prefers coffee. While I like tea, my brother prefers coffee. Mu gihe nkunda icyayi, musaza wanjye akunda ikawa. Example 3. Don't talk while the teacher is speaking. Don't talk while the teacher is speaking. Ntukavuge mu gihe mwarimu ari kuvuga. Even when. Even when niyo. Example 1. He smiles even when he's tired. He smiles even when he's tired. Aramwenyura niyo yaba ananiwe. Example 2. She studies even when she's sick. She studies even when she's sick. Ariga niyo yaba arwaye. They help others even when they are busy. They help others even when they are busy. They help others even when they are busy. Bafasha abandi niyo baba bahuze. Provided that. Provided that. Igihe cyose cyangwa se mu gihe. Dukoresha provided that duha umuntu umurongo ngenderwaho. You can go provided that you finish your homework. You can go provided that you finish your homework. Ushobora kugenda igihe cyose urangije umukoro wawe. Ni ukuvuga yuko ntago wemerewe kugenda utarasoza umukoro wawe. Example 2. I will help you provided that you tell the truth. I will help you provided that you tell the truth. Nzagufasha igihe cyose umbwiye ukuri. Ni ukuvuga ko utarambwira ukuri sinshobora kugufasha. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.